Hello, friends. Welcome to the episode number 4. Today we are going to see the rubric anguish. Anguish is a agony. It is a excessive pain and extreme distress of body and mind due to despair, remorse, sorrow, anxiety with physical suffering. This is anguish. So, what is the meaning in Hindi of anguish? गहरी वेदना या पीड़ा मनोव्यथा. In Marathi meaning of anguish, it is यातना, मनोवेदना, उदासीनता, दुःख, खेद, पश्चाताप इत्यादीमुळे शारीरिक किंवा मानसिक असे मोठे दुःख. So this is the meaning in Marathi. Now we'll see the important remedies of anguish. First is aconite, then arsenic, belladonna, calcarea, cannabis indica, calcarea ars causticum, digitalis, graphitis, hipparsulf, lycopodium, platinum, anacardium, apis argentum nitricum, arnica aurum, carbovage, coffea, cuprum gelsemium, hyoscyamus, maccarp majorium, nux vomica phosphorus, sorinum, sarsaparilla stramonium and symphytum. So these are the number of remedies which comes under the anguish. Now we'll see the specific remedies of anguish in short. The first is aconite. Aconite anguish, especially cardiac, comes in children's in anguish delivery during, anguish driving from place to place, anguish with restlessness, fever during, pain during, peritonitis during, anguish with restlessness, tossing about with. So this is aconite anguish. Then arsenic anguish. Arsenic anguish especially comes in the night, midnight, cardiac, children's in, then constricted as if everything become, anguish driving from place to place with restlessness with, anguish during meningitis, nausea with, operation with, palpitation with, and respiration preventing with, anguish tossing about with, and vomiting with. So this is the arsenic anguish. Then cannabis indica. Cannabis indica anguish comes operation with, pain during, especially in the stomach, anguish relieved by air opening. Then digitalis anguish. Digitalis anguish, especially cardiac, nausea with, waking on or walking in open air after. This is digitalis anguish. Then graphitis anguish. Graphitis anguish, especially in the daytime, amenorrhea during, menses before, and sitting still, cannot sit due to anguish. This is the graphite anguish. Hipparf, especially in the evening, night, with suicidal thoughts. Platinum anguish, amenorrhea during, anger from, anguish with joyful things, anguish menses during, palpitation with, walking in open air with. This is platina anguish. Then arnica anguish comes especially in the night, perspiration during, cardiac, angina pectoris during, delivery during, then chill during, heat during, and on waking up. This is arnica anguish. Then aurum anguish. Aurum anguish, especially cardiac, pain from, palpitation with, restlessness with, and with self destruction leading to. This is aurum anguish. Then Naksumika anguish, especially in the children's, when parents insult children's, anguish drunkenness during, anguish husband insulting wife or children's or vice versa. Then anguish pain with. This is the Naksumika anguish. This is in short some of the remedies of anguish. Then now we'll see the cross references of anguish. First cross reference is anxiety. What is meant by anxiety? Anxiety is a state of feeling worried or fear about something, especially about the future. Anxiety has no definite cause. Worry, uneasiness. Anxiety is an uncomfortable feeling of nervousness or worry about something that is happening or might happen in the future. It is a discomfort about something doubtful, or it is a vague, unpleasant emotion that is experienced in the anticipation of some misfortune. A feeling of worry, nervousness, or uneasiness about something with an uncertain outcome. So, this is the different meanings of anxiety. Then we will see the fear panic attack. This is the second cross reference. The fear means frightened, or it is a frightful feeling having a definite cause. Fear is an unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. Fear is a scared of or afraid of something. So this is fear. Then next cross reference is mania, madness, anguish during. And mania means unreasonable desire or craze, a kind of delirium in which both the judgment and memory are impaired, excessive enthusiasm, a violent desire of passion, craze, something. Or it is a mood disorder, an affective disorder in which the victim tends to respond excessively and something violently. This is mania, madness. Then next cross reference is remorse. Remorse is a deep regret for having done wrong. Remorse is a deep regret or a guilt for a wrong committed. If you feel the remorse, it means that you conscience of is working on you. Your past actions are biting you back and making you feel very regretful. It is called as Paschatap. Then next cross reference is restlessness. Restlessness is uneasiness or unable to stay still or quiet. It is a state of being deprived of rest, discomfort, which refers or it is uh, it will differentiate from discomfort. That is, discomfort is which refers more to the feeling than to behavior, and there is the ability to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or boredom, having no peace of mind. So this is the restlessness. Then shrieking anguish from. The shrieking anguish from means it is a sharp, shrill, loud sound due to a strong emotion such as anger, fear, excitement. Shrieking is a sharp, piercing sound or cry that is out of terror or pain or excitement. In this, the patient calls someone in extreme pain with a high pitched sound, which touches listener's heart. The cry is so intense that it is difficult to bear. He is shrieking and calling someone for help. So this is the meaning of shrieking. Then we'll see the miasm of anguish. Miasm is syphilis miasm. And what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of anguish? The first is depression, then second is psychogenic pain disorder, and third is schizophrenia. So this is in short all about the anguish. So friends, thank you for your listening. In next episode we will meet with new rubric. Till then, thank you.